Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot and how to crochet the very first chain, the starting chain for your project. So let's get started. Hold the tail end between your thumb and your fingers and wrap around them, cross to the other side and wrap again to bring it down, and then hold it with your fingers. Now if you turn it around, you'll see two parallel strings. Insert your hook under the first and then pull the second through, and this is it. This is your slip knot, and you can see it is adjustable, so you can make it as large or tight as you like. So let me show you again. Hold the tail end between your thumb and two fingers. Turn it around the fingers, cross to the other side and bring it down again, and then hold it with the two fingers down here. Now turn again and you'll see the two parallel lines. Just simply insert your hook under the first and pull the second one, and that's it. That's your slip knot. Okay, so now you have your first chain on a hook. The way I hold my yarn, and it's easier for me because it kind of controls the tension of the yarn. It's around a finger and in between the last two fingers. So I just hold it like that. And then with these two fingers, I'm holding the tail end. So to make a chain, simply yarn over and just pull through your first chain. And then yarn over again and pull through. And when you have your yarn between your last two fingers, you can actually control the yarn and you can hold it tighter or looser. So just wrap it around the first three fingers and then hold it with your pinky like that, as you can see. Okay, so to chain again, wrap your hook around, we call that yarn over, and pull through, yarn over and pull through. And this is how you make a chain. All right, well, that's it. It's that easy. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe to Crafting Happiness YouTube channel for more free tutorials like this one. Happy crocheting!